Hello everybody, today we make homemade limoncello. We need 5 lemon and make sure the wash really good and dry. I got 1.25 cup pure alcohol. So you don't got a pure alcohol, you can use vodka. You need glass jar. You gotta be good seal. Now we gotta start the peel off of the lemon, but like I say, make sure the wash good and dry. Now, I got to peel this like you peel the potato. I want to do the lemon. But if you don't got the peel, you can use a knife. But make sure when you peel with the knife, all this do not touch the white. Okay, you need only the skin. And we start do like this. After you pick it up, this, you see there? And you gotta put in the jar. All right, now you pick it up and you dump right inside the jar. It's one, and we gotta do all the rest the same thing. For the limoncello, you need only the skin. The skin, you got a good flavor. Okay, now it's time to put the alcohol inside this jar for the skin. Now, this is the alcohol. We seal, you gotta be sealed good. And this you gotta stay on cold, dark place. And I use my basement. Base gotta stay for 30 days. Okay, now it's 1 month for the limoncello to be ready. It's what it look like now. And now to finish this, we need 3 cup water and 1.25 cup sugar. Now the first thing we gotta do, we put the water on this pot, okay, it gotta be boiled. After that, we go on the stove. I want to say something. I always wait 1 month to do this. I don't think, for me, I gotta take 1 month to finish this, what I make, okay? I think it take like maybe a week, it's it. Look, the water boil, and now it's ready to put the sugar. Easy. Easy does. Okay. Now this you gotta boil really slow. Okay, the sugar, you gotta melt everything together. This now one time it boil a little bit. After we leave it cool off, and we pour together with the liquid we got over there, the alcohol and the lemon, mix it together. That's when you start zoom zoom. Okay, drink. Bello aglione, limoncello. Okay, now the water it's cool off for now, ready to go. This you gotta go right inside over here, and we got the strain. I put it right there, and let's see now this. Oh boy, the smell is so good. I can't wait to drink one nice glass. Okay. Look at the color. Look at the color on this. Oh, mamma mia. Now we take this out and we give a nice. Okay, now I got my glass looking nice, freeze cold. And this is my limoncello, want to taste? All right, look at that. Okay, salute cin cin di everybody. Limoncello da Pasquale. Salute. Forget about this limoncello, it's originale. It's the best limoncello taste. Belle va solo. It go down by itself. I no push it down, but it go easy. Easy go. Look at this. 1, 2, and 3. A salute. The best. I gotta make it again. I make more again. Thank you very much. Make this limoncello the way I did. Everybody say, Pasquale, it's the best limoncello. Thank you very much. Baby. Pasquale ha fatto limoncello qua in America. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. A salute. Thank you.